Are you bloated here and here? Then you want to take a picture to help you deflate the bloat. So whether you're bloated right here in your abdomen, like just like indigestion, your stomach's looks like it's pregnant, right? And then bloating up here basically means like congestion. You got cough, your heaviness in your chest. How can you deflate both of them? You're going to take a picture of your fingers, right? You can see when you're using these two fingers, take the thumb first. You're going to go up. So you're going to go up, you're going to massage up, right? So you're going to use your thumb and you're going to go up. Massage here. This is going to help the bloat or congestion here in your lungs. The thumb has nerves that are connected to your lungs. That's why when you massage it up, it's going to stimulate the nerves here, which sends blood to your lungs, which decreases the heaviness, the congestion, maybe cough, right? Maybe you got some cough. So any respiratory lung issues, you want to massage this up here. Now you got the bloat down here, right? Well, instead of passing gas, maybe you can't pass gas, because when you pass gas, it actually feels better, right? So how do you pass the gas from your abdomen, right? You're going to go to the nerves that are connected to your large intestine. So there are nerves connected to your large intestine on this index finger. So when you stimulate the blood circulation, so you're going to go down. See that arrow? You're going to go down. You're going to massage down. Okay? This is going to stimulate blood circulation to your intestines right here. And you see down, bloat down, gas down, let it out down, right? You're going to massage this. You're going to do these at least 30 seconds, 3 times a day, right? Obviously, you can't be eating junk. If you eat junk, you're going to get bloat back up. You're going to get, pregnant gas back up, right? So you want to deflate, so you make sure you eat the right things, but you want to deflate them by going down on this index finger, going down on index finger, going up on the thumb, all right? Give these 2 techniques a try. Deflate the bloat. Let me know how it goes.